Greetings. So, today's material is, well, red sandstone. And I'm gonna dig until the water runs out. My water runs out. Or I can't dig anymore. So, let's test it out.
Hey, maybe this needs a little explanation to bring this all into context here. In the spot you see me digging here used to be a garden hut. See the image on screen here. It was full of garbage and the foundation was partially rotten. The floor even caved in at some point. It was torn down and now I'm in the process of building a new one. I want to build it longer lasting than the previous one, so I need to avoid the mistakes that were made on the old hut. The foundation of the old one rotted away from non-treated timber having direct ground contact. I want to make the new one a pile and beam foundation with the piles sticking out at least 50 centimeters above ground. For this, I need to know with what ground or geological conditions I am dealing with. So I will dig until I hit either big stones or bedrock. There I should be able to cast a concrete pad as a base for the piles. Now that I've hit larger stones, I want to measure how deep I am and note it down. I have a measuring tape that I can use to check the depth. It was about 60 centimeters deep where I have hit larger stones. Now I will fill the hole back in with the soil I dug out to return the area to how it was before starting the excavation work. Properly backfilling and compacting the soil is important to avoid any settling or sinking of the ground in the future, which could impact the structure's foundation. This is not the spot I will begin the foundation. It is only a test hole to determine the depth and composition of the underlying soils and bedrock. As I fill the hole back in with soil, I am manually compacting every 10 centimeters of added soil height. This helps ensure the soil density is returned to how it was before digging to avoid any future settling. As I didn't put the stones I dug up back in, the overall height of the backfilled soil will be lower than the original ground level. Rather than throwing the stones away, I can reuse them for other purposes later. As I pick the stones up, I remove the soil sticking to them. Then I pile them neatly to the side so they are accessible if needed for any future landscaping or construction projects.
So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you